when you're thinking about technology-driven change, one of your most important, if not the most important part of that change is the people. I mean, ultimately, I believe that kind of AI and other kind of related technologies are typically going to be used in a couple of ways. So I think organizations have already made the pivot towards being more data driven with regards to their kind of decision making, but you'll be amazed at how many businesses are still kind of making those decisions based on gut feel versus what the data might actually tell you. And then when you have data, the ability to apply like AI over the top to do those analytics and insights can generate some really interesting outcomes. Typically, you can also kind of apply it to back-end operational efficiencies. I think in terms of like more of the front end, you've also got the potential to explore more like personalized customer experiences, which I think is going to be hyper important going forward. And you can obviously also use those AI-driven insights to kind of push the whole innovation and development angle. And I still believe in that ability to really take predictive analytics and operational outcomes to the next level by leveraging AI. I think it's super important that when you're thinking about introducing any new technology into your business, that there is that clear strategy, and that strategy is aligned to business goals. I think it's important also that we engage your stakeholders early. The reason for that is that, in my view, and I tend to kind of upset some of my kind of counterparts and colleagues, is that technology is fairly binary. It kind of either works or it doesn't. The thing that kind of makes it come to life is the people. So therefore, when you're thinking about technology-driven change, one of your most important, if not the most important part of that change is the people. So do you have some sort of plan to have the people contribute towards the change management required to deliver the business outcomes that the intended technology is being introduced to deliver? Pretty hard to ignore AI and the whole Gen AI hype at the moment. As somebody who's been involved and kind of following AI since my kind of late teens, early 20s, I still believe we're at the absolute tip of the iceberg as to what is possible and what will come next. I also think that there will soon be some sort of breakthroughs within quantum computing that could have a significant impact. There's bound to be advances because of those two things around cybersecurity. I think there'll be a bigger drive around sustainable technologies. And I still feel like we're missing a trick around IoT, blockchain, and 5G, and the kind of everything that I've mentioned, plus those three things combined, mean that something of significance will happen in that space. And most likely, the only other one that's probably worth mentioning is robotics and automation. Those are the kind of the key trends, that kind of coming wave of technology that's bound to have some significant impacts over the next 10 years.